Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Forest Design Solutions, coming to you from Lake Elmo, Minnesota at Cedar Grove Farms, and we're putting up a deer fence, an 8-foot deer fence around the garden area and food forest area. I'm about to take you and give you some video of Alex pounding in the post sleeve to show you how to install this fence. Here we go. He's checking it, see, make sure it's level or not, because once you get these posts in, these post sleeves in, you're not going to get them out. So you want to make sure you are as close to level as possible. It's not easy once you pound them in. So he's catching his breath right now because it is an ass kicker. You're on, Alex.
Oh, nice.
Look how easy those go in with that soft, wet ground. And then all you do is slide your posts in, and I'll make a video of that next. Swing from this side.
This one's a little crooked, yeah.
No, do you have to go this way?
Yeah.
Come on this side and pound.
And then hit it?
Hit it on the opposite side.
Hit it right here?
Yeah, see if you can drive it. Don't worry about that. We can restring it. You only have one more to go. And there, that's it. That's all you do.
Yeah.
And you pull that out. And then you can see you have the sleeve in the ground. And then we have all the posts over here. Put a couple collars on the post and a cap, and you slide it in, and just like that, all your posts are in the ground. It'd be nice if there was a easier way to put those in the ground. We have a post driver, but it's too tall. You can only get it in about half a foot, maybe a foot before. I'm having a thought to make that shorter on the inside somehow. The post hole, post driver.
Oh,
so
the red one?
Yeah, so it's not as long on the inside. If you can shove something in there that's solid.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
We do that. The sledgehammer works great, it's just hard to keep it straight.
Yeah.
That's the biggest challenge. Like this one,
once you get the post in, maybe wiggle it, but yeah. It's, you know what, once we get this all tightened up with the nylon line, and we cinch it up, and then we get the fence on and zip tie it all up, we'll be fine. It's not going anywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's a hell of a
But since I don't need to put that door on, I got my 2 extra bags of cement, so I can go pour the extra ones in those. Cool. But that's how you put a post sleeve in for the Deerbusters fence. And yeah, there's only let's see, that was 6, only 19 more to go. Yeah, that's why I wish there was an easier way to put these in the ground, but it's better than digging 3-foot holes and cementing every single one, where you would have to with 4x4s. I've done 100 by 50 before with drilling every hole and cementing every single post, 35 posts. And no, this is much easier, more not as time consuming. And you'll see once we roll the fence out onto this thing, this stuff's so light, and you keep it in a roll and you just unroll it as you go, and it's simple. But anyway, I got to pour some cement in a couple holes over here to add some extra reinforcement, because it's a gate and I want this each side of the gate to be nice and sturdy, because they're going to be getting open and closed a lot, so they want those posts to be very secure. So that's that. And I'll do, when I put the dead man on posts on all the corners and the gateway, I will make a video of that and show you. Have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns.